Hey everyone! If you've been waiting for a fresh take on one of Europe's favorite compact SUVs, you're in for a treat because the all-new 2026 Peugeot 3008 is about to drop, and honestly, it's looking really good. First off, let's talk design because wow, Peugeot's gone bold. The new 3008 ditches the softer curves of the old model for something sharper, more futuristic. Think sleek LED headlights that wrap around the front like claws, a super clean grille, and this gorgeous floating roof effect in the back. It's still unmistakably a 3008, but now it's got that premium, almost concept car vibe, like it just rolled off a Geneva Motor Show stage. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, Peugeot's doubling down on hybrids. The 2026 model comes with a plug-in hybrid setup that gives you around 50 miles of electric-only range, perfect for city commutes. And when you need more oomph, the gas engine kicks in for a total output of over 220 horsepower. Smooth, efficient, and way more fun to drive than you'd expect from a family SUV. And get this, they've actually added legit off-road chops. Yeah, you heard that right. With an optional grip control system and higher ground clearance, this thing can handle gravel trails, muddy paths, even light snow. It's not a Wrangler, sure, but for weekend adventurers who still want comfort and style, huge upgrade. Inside, total transformation. The cabin feels like a mini luxury lounge now. Soft touch materials everywhere, ambient lighting, and that new i-Cockpit layout with a curved digital display that puts everything right in your line of sight. Plus, more rear legroom and a bigger trunk than before. So whether you're hauling kids, groceries, or camping gear, it's got you covered. Now about price. Peugeot hasn't dropped official numbers yet, but early estimates put it just a bit above the current model. So probably starting around $35,000. Considering the tech, design, and hybrid efficiency you're getting, that's seriously competitive against rivals like the Toyota RAV4 Prime or even the Ford Escape plug-in. Honestly, this feels like the 3008 finally stepping into its full potential. It's more stylish, more capable, and more refined than ever, without losing that practical, everyday charm that made it so popular in the first place. If you're in the market for a smart, stylish, and surprisingly adventurous compact SUV, keep your eyes peeled for the 2026 Peugeot 3008. It might just be the one. Music swells slightly, then fades out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car updates. And let me know in the comments, would you take this new 3008 over its rivals? See you next time.